Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Park your Subaru Impreza on level ground, turn the engine off, and set the parking brake. Open the hood and find the rectangular plastic air filter box near the front passenger side of the engine bay. Remove any quick clips or screws with a Phillips screwdriver or a 10 mm socket. This should take about 15 minutes. Unclip the top cover and set it aside, keeping screws in a small tray. Inspect the surrounding area for debris, and note how the intake snorkel connects to the box for reassembly. Carefully lift out the used air filter from the housing, keeping your hands clear of engine components. Inspect the filter element for black soot, oil stains, or heavy debris. Small dust is normal, but dark clumps mean replacement. Subaru commonly recommends replacing the cabin and engine air filters every 12,000 miles or 12 months in typical conditions, but adjust for dusty climates. Compare the new filter to the old one to confirm orientation and exact fit, noting airflow direction arrows, so you place the new air filter into the housing with the airflow arrow pointing toward the engine intake, ensuring the gasket seals evenly around the perimeter. Reseat the top cover and resecure screws or clips evenly to avoid warping the box. Hand tighten screws or use a 10 mm socket carefully without over-torquing. Start the engine and listen for any unusual rattle indicating a loose cover. Wipe any spilled debris, reset your maintenance log, and record the date and mileage for the next change at about 12,000 miles or 12 months.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.